Sharpen dull blender blades with this simple rice hack. Rice is known as a simple kitchen staple used in meals around the world. But did you know a small handful of dry rice can also help sharpen and clean your blender blades? When blender blades are covered with residue, they may struggle to blend ingredients as smoothly as they should. The hard grains of uncooked rice create gentle friction as they move around the blender, helping remove buildup and polish the blades. This guide will show you step-by-step how to use dry rice to help clean and sharpen blender blades, check the blades afterward, and use the blender safely. But before we go any further, yes, this is an AI voice, but a real person wrote this. I don't like narrating videos, so I use an AI voice. Ignore that the voice is AI. The video is worth it. Check out the full details by visiting the link in the description. Materials you need to sharpen blender blades with rice. You only need 2 simple items for this blender blade hack. Dry rice. Use a small handful of uncooked dry rice. Do not use cooked or wet rice because it can stick to the blender and create a mess. Blender. Use a clean, completely dry blender with blades that are secure and free from visible damage. Make sure the blender jar and blades are completely dry before adding the rice. How to sharpen blender blades with rice. This simple method uses dry rice to help clean residue from the blades and lightly polish their edges. Make sure the blender jar is completely dry before you begin. Pour a small handful of uncooked rice into the blender jar. You only need enough rice to cover the area around the blades. Avoid filling the blender with too much rice. The grains need room to move freely while the blender is running. Secure the lid tightly, then pulse the blender several times. You can also run it on a low or medium setting for about 20 to 30 seconds. The rice should move around the blades and turn into a fine powder. Stop the blender if you hear unusual sounds or notice it struggling. Turn off and unplug the blender before removing the lid. Pour the ground rice into the trash and avoid using it for cooking. Wash the blender jar with warm water and dish soap to remove the remaining rice powder. Rinse it well and allow it to dry completely. Once the blender is clean and dry, look closely at the blades without touching their sharp edges. Check for leftover residue, cracks, loose parts, or visible damage. You can test the blender with a small amount of food or liquid to see if it blends more smoothly. If the blades are still dull or damaged, they may need professional sharpening or replacement. Why rice may help clean and sharpen blender blades. Dry rice is firm and slightly abrasive. As the grains move around the blender, they create gentle friction against the blades and may help loosen stuck-on residue. Removing buildup can help the blades move more freely and blend ingredients more evenly. The rice may also lightly polish the blade edges, which can make them seem sharper. This hack works best as a simple cleaning and maintenance method. It cannot repair bent, cracked, badly damaged, or extremely dull blender blades. Keep blender blades clean and working better with rice. Using a small handful of dry rice is a simple way to help clean blender blades and remove residue around the edges. It only takes a few minutes and uses something you may already have in your kitchen. After blending the rice, always unplug the blender before emptying and cleaning it. Check the blades carefully for damage, loose parts, or buildup without touching the sharp edges. This rice hack may help your blender work more smoothly, but it cannot fix bent, cracked, or badly damaged blades. If the blender still struggles after cleaning, the blades may need to be sharpened professionally or replaced. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget the link in the description.